Hello, professionals. Today, I've got something incredibly useful for you. If you're a professional eager to master ChatGPT, you're in the right place. Today, I'll unlock secrets to make your professional life simpler and more efficient. Since the dawn of daily life, I've been exploring ChatGPT, and now I'm ready to give you a full rundown. So without a further ado, let's start out video. First and foremost, let's delve into the world of professional communication. Specifically, we're going to explore how ChatGPT4 can be an invaluable tool in crafting professional emails. I've approached ChatGPT4 with a specific task to assist in drafting a concise yet impactful email focused on innovative marketing strategies. This email isn't just a routine message, it's a strategic communication to our marketing team, encompassing key elements like current trends in digital marketing, suggestions for innovative strategies suitable for digital and social platforms, and a brief description of the expected outcomes or benefits of these strategies. The goal is clear. We need a draft that is not only professional but also engaging and informative. And guess what? ChatGPT4 has started working its magic on our prompt. The result? A meticulously crafted professional email that begins with a warm greeting, "Dear team, I hope this email finds you well." It seamlessly transitions into the core of the message, presenting insightful ideas and proposed strategies. It covers current trends, especially those driven by AI technology, and provides a detailed overview of innovative strategies. The draft highlights key aspects we want to focus on, ensuring that every element we need is included. By using ChatGPT4 in this way, you can craft tailored emails for any business purpose. It's not just about writing, it's about elevating your communication to make your professional life more manageable and your business communications more effective. Let's move towards the second part of the video. If you are attacking or want to stay up to date regarding what's happening into the market and what is new technology that is released in 23, I am looking to stay up to date on a latest advancement in technology. Could you provide information on some of the latest tag gadgets released in 23? And also, I have described it a little bit that I want name description. The purpose of the primary gadget key features highlight the most innovative and note is of the gadget target audience price range comparison between previous model and the new one. Now it is working, and see, it has given us again 10 to 12 top-notch gadgets. Informative description. Prices, what make it different, and what are the targeted audience. And if you will going to play on these two error also, it will going to take us to the product, and it will going to take us to the website from where it has given us, and we can buy. Stick to the end and let me know in the comments what application of chat will be most helpful to you. For future releases of more videos similar to this one, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Imagine having complex concepts simplified or grappling with challenging courses made easier. Well, that's exactly what ChatGPT4 offers. Let's talk about how ChatGPT4 is transforming education. ChatGPT4 is here to change the game. In this part of our video, I'm going to show you just how effective ChatGPT4 can be. Take, for instance, the intricate concept of quantum entanglement in physics. It's a concept that can be quite daunting to understand. But with ChatGPT4, we're about to break it down into simpler, more digestible terms. I've prompted ChatGPT4 to explain quantum entanglement in a way that's accessible and easy to grasp. And the result? ChatGPT4 begins to unravel this complex topic, presenting it in a way that's not just understandable, but also engaging. It's not about dumbing down the content. It's about making learning approachable and enjoyable. This is a game changer for students struggling with tough subjects or teachers striving to make their lessons more captivating. ChatGPT4's ability to distill complex information into clear, concise explanations makes it an invaluable educational tool. So whether you're a student facing challenging courses or a teacher looking to bring clarity to your classroom, ChatGPT4 is here to assist. Are you ready to explore another exciting use of ChatGPT? This time, it's all about making your travel dreams a reality. If you're in the midst of planning an unforgettable 2-week vacation, ChatGPT is your go-to guide for a journey that combines cultural experiences, natural beauty, and relaxation. Let's dive into how ChatGPT can transform your travel planning. I've asked ChatGPT to assist in organizing a vacation that aligns with my preferences. Whether it's travel tips, budgeting advice, finding unique cultural spots, or discovering natural wonders, ChatGPT has got it all covered. ChatGPT's response is nothing short of amazing. For instance, it suggests Japan as a first destination, offering a detailed itinerary for each day. Imagine spending the first few days exploring vibrant districts, followed by a serene visit to the Todaiji Temple and mingling with friendly deer in Nara Park. Plus, ChatGPT even advises on the best time to visit, either spring or fall for pleasant weather, and provides an estimated budget range of $150 to $200 per day. But that's not all. The next destination it proposes is Greece, where the daily budget could range from $100 to $150. ChatGPT lays out a plan that immerses you in Greek culture and history, ensuring you get the most out of your stay. And for a more exotic experience, Morocco is the third recommended destination. Here, with a moderate daily budget of $50 to $200, you can enjoy guided tours and delve into the rich Moroccan culture. ChatGPT makes it effortless to plan your entire trip, including budget considerations and selecting the best places and times to visit. It's like having a personal travel consultant at your fingertips. Looking to kickstart a healthier lifestyle? Well, you're in luck. ChatGPT4 is not just your digital assistant for work or learning. It's also a fantastic tool for guiding you on your health and fitness journey. Let's discover how ChatGPT4 can help you stay fit and healthy, especially if you're just beginning this journey. Embarking on a fitness and diet transformation can be daunting, but with ChatGPT4, it's made simple and achievable. I asked ChatGPT4 for guidance on improving fitness and diet, with a focus on core principles for a balanced fitness routine, a workout plan, and basic healthy eating tips tailored for beginners like me. ChatGPT4's response is a goldmine of information. It starts with essential tips like maintaining consistency in workouts rather than going for intense, unsustainable routines. It emphasizes mixing cardio and strength training and setting realistic, achievable goals. But it's not all about exercise. ChatGPT4 also offers valuable tips on healthy eating, staying hydrated, controlling portion sizes, reducing sugar and salt intake, balancing your plate, and planning your meals. With this comprehensive plan, ChatGPT4 makes it easy to embark on a health and fitness journey. Whether it's choosing the right exercises or understanding the basics of a healthy diet, ChatGPT4 has got you covered. So, are you ready to step into a healthier lifestyle? Let ChatGPT4 guide you through a balanced, realistic fitness routine and diet plan, calling all content writers, storytellers, and aspiring novelists. If you've ever faced writer's block or needed a creative boost, you're about to discover how ChatGPT can be your ultimate writing companion. To demonstrate, I asked ChatGPT for assistance in developing a unique and engaging story for a fantasy novel. The response? It's like unveiling a treasure trove of creative ideas. ChatGPT provides a comprehensive structure, encompassing everything from the setting and main characters to the formidable antagonists, plot twists, and key themes. It's not just about ideas, it's about weaving these elements into a coherent and compelling narrative. But ChatGPT's prowess doesn't stop there. It can also help create intricate and relatable characters for your story. For instance, when I requested help in creating a complex protagonist for a mystery novel, ChatGPT crafted a character complete with a detailed background, unique abilities, strengths, skills, and complexities. This level of detail can bring your characters to life, making your novel not just a story, but an experience for your readers. ChatGPT is more than just a writing tool. So, to all the storytellers out there, prepare to elevate your writing. Attention all programmers and coders, regardless of the language you specialize in. Have you ever found yourself stuck on a coding problem, unsure of how to proceed? Well, I've got great news for you. ChatGPT4 is not just a tool. It's a game changer for coding challenges. It's about to make your coding life a whole lot easier. Let's dive into how this works. In this segment, I'm demonstrating the power of ChatGPT4 in solving real coding problems. I presented ChatGPT4 with a specific request. I'm working on a project and need assistance in writing specific code snippets. I've asked for examples of functionalities, let's say Functionality 1, Functionality 2, with particular emphasis on API calls and database connectivity. And here's the exciting part. With just a click, ChatGPT4 starts generating responses tailored to our needs. The beauty of this tool lies in its ability to understand and respond to complex programming queries. Whether you're dealing with Python, JavaScript, or any other programming language, ChatGPT4 is ready to assist. Once ChatGPT4 provides the code, it's just a matter of copying it. You can easily copy the code right from ChatGPT4 and paste it directly into your programming environment. So for all the programmers out there, whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting out, ChatGPT4 is here to streamline your coding process. Are you a product manager? So here is ChatGPT for you. It can also assist in crafting effective project plans. I'll be asking ChatGPT for a detailed outline on key aspects to streamline your project management. We'll cover the initial planning phase with smart tips on creating an effective work breakdown structure, WBS, that encompasses all project facets. Resource allocation, a crucial element in project management, will also be a focus. Additionally, we'll explore timeline development, offering guidance on constructing a practical timeline, and delve into creating a communication plan that ensures seamless interaction with stakeholders and team members. But that's not all. We'll also look into monitoring and control techniques and conclude with post-project reviews, gleaning actionable advice for an impactful plan. ChatGPT has provided us with a comprehensive roadmap for project management. From kickoff meetings with stakeholders to crafting a clear scope statement, it guides us through identifying key stakeholders and breaking down the project into manageable components. So get ready to transform your approach to project management. I hope you enjoyed this walkthrough. Stay tuned for more exciting content in the future.